video, I will guide you how to configure auto-reply for bulk users using PowerShell in Exchange Online just under 10 minutes. We will follow a simple 7-step process for this activity. First thing first, make sure you have your list of M365 users ready. If not, quickly create one in a CSV file. In the second step, import the Exchange Online PowerShell module on your system so that you can manage Microsoft 365 Exchange Online from your laptop or desktop using PowerShell. Next, connect to the Exchange Online. In the fourth step, load your user list into the PowerShell user variables. In the next step, we are going to write the auto-reply message. I will show you the best format you can use for auto-reply. In the sixth step, apply the auto-reply setting to all users in bulk. And finally, verify that the script worked successfully. That's all. Now let's do it one by one. The entire process of setting up auto-reply for bulk user in Exchange Online starts with Microsoft 365 user list. If you have one, very good. If you do not have, do not worry. I'm going to show you how to export that from Exchange Online mailboxes. In the admin.microsoft.com portal, scroll down and select Exchange. That will open the Exchange Admin Center. Click on the mailboxes, which will list down all the current mailboxes you have in your admin center. You can see only 25 users here because I'm using a trial account for this demo. In the Manage Mailboxes page, click on Export Mailboxes. Out of two options, select Export All Mailboxes. It will ask you to continue. Click Continue. Save the file as mailboxes.csv, anywhere you prefer. Just remember where you have saved it because we will use the file path and file name in the PowerShell scripts in upcoming steps. Click on the mailboxes.csv downloaded file to open it. In this CSV file, keep only the column that contains the email IDs and delete all the other columns. Change the header as user principal name. This header will be referred in the upcoming PowerShell script. Great, that completes step 1. Now let's continue with step 2. In the second step, import Exchange Online PowerShell module. This allows your system to connect with and manage Microsoft 365 Exchange Online directly through PowerShell on your laptop or desktop. Once the module is installed and loaded, you will be ready to sign in and start performing admin tasks in your tenant. To import the Exchange Online PowerShell module, open the Windows PowerShell with administrator rights. Once the Windows PowerShell is open and active, we will perform two tasks: install the Exchange Online module and import the Exchange Online module. Installing the Exchange Online PowerShell module downloads the module to your system, and importing Exchange Online PowerShell module loads it into the current PowerShell session so its commands are available to manage Exchange Online using PowerShell. In my case, the required module is already installed, so I will skip this part. You can pause the screen and refer the PowerShell command to complete the process. Once done, proceed to the third step, connecting Exchange Online. Now connect to Exchange Online using your admin credentials. In the command prompt, type connect-exchange online and press enter. It will ask for your credential. I have already used this earlier, so it will detect my M365 account, which has global admin or Exchange Online admin right. Use your credential and proceed. It will validate your ID and password and then let you connect to the Microsoft Exchange Online. Once you are connected, you are ready to control mailbox settings in bulk. Now let's work on step number 4. It is the time now to work with the CSV file we have created on the step number 1. Load the CSV file into PowerShell using the command visible on the screen. This step pulls all the user IDs into memory of Exchange Online PowerShell user variant, so the script can loop through them. Once done, move forward for 5th step to define the auto-reply and apply the same on bulk mailboxes. Now create your auto-reply message for both internal and external messages. In these messages, we are creating an auto-reply email using HTML format. The $auto-reply HTML equal to @ simply means we are starting a block of text. Inside this block, I have used HTML tags to format our message. The paragraph tag separates the message into clean sections. It moves the text to the next line. The strong tag makes text bold and the BR tag adds a line break between paragraphs and break. Use your messages as suitable. Finally, the blocks ends with @ which tells the script that the message is complete. That's it. A simple HTML auto-reply message written inside a PowerShell string. Now open the PowerShell once again. Copy the auto-reply message you have created on HTML format and paste here. The auto-reply message has been loaded to the PowerShell module. And here comes the best part, configuring auto-reply for every user in the list with a simple loop. Let me show you how in the next step. In this step, we are going to apply auto-reply in bulk mailboxes. Pause the screen and note down all the strings I have mentioned here for the PowerShell script. But before that, let me explain one by one the string I have used for the script. The command in the first line of the script instruct PowerShell to loop the script for each user in the user variable. The second one, write host setting auto-reply for the target user principal name, which we have mentioned in the Excel sheet at the very beginning. Configuration, identity, user principal name. Once again, this is referring the Excel sheet we have mentioned earlier. It will be applicable for all the email IDs under the user principal name. Use the start time and end time as per your convenience. The last two command confirms HTML format used for both internal and external auto-reply message. Now copy this script and paste this on PowerShell terminal. This is where magic happens. In just few seconds, PowerShell updates each mailbox with the auto-reply settings. Finally, run a quick check for a couple of users to confirm the auto-reply has been applied successfully. Let me check one for you. Let's say the user principal name is Shantanu Endaw at endaw-TechCatalyst.onmicrosoft.com for our reference. Now write the command get-mailbox auto-reply configuration -identity Shantanu Endaw at endaw-TechCatalyst.onmicrosoft.com and just press enter. You can check on the screen the verification has been successfully completed. You can see the external message on HTML format. You can see the internal message on HTML format. The screen showing the starting date of the auto-reply. It's also showing the end date of the auto-reply. And that's it. Your bulk auto-reply configuration is done. So that's how you configure auto-replies for multiple users in Exchange Online using PowerShell. Quickly, easily, and without any complications. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. This is Shantanu signing off. See you in the next video. Thank you.